Next one here is AI human hybrid. This is really about scaling smart and staying trustworthy. Okay. So the definition here is this is a hybrid AI human content development strategy where AI tools are used to help you scale your production. Maybe they're handling research, maybe they're creating outlines, maybe they're helping you gather data. But the human experts help provide the unique insights, the final editing, and the experience-based input needed to meet those EEAT standards. And why it matters? Well, this model balances production speed with quality, which is crucial in this era of mass-produced AI content. And I see it all the time. I see people just banging out like 100 AI pieces of content just by putting in a prompt and then spitting it out and then pasting it on their website without really vetting it, without adding any kind of um, real world experience into this without putting in some examples or samples in. So, this is really going to be important as this becomes more and more prevalent, this AI content being mass produced, okay? Let AI handle the grunt work, but let the human provide the authenticity, the lived experience, and the originality. Okay, because 58.5% of marketers are using hybrid content models to remain competitive without sacrificing standards of the quality of that content. So how does this work? Well, AI tackles the time-consuming tasks like the topic clustering, outlining information, A/B testing. And I'll tell you, I used it to help me with this presentation, right? Looked at lots of content, helped me understand the best content, helped me understand, how to group them together, how to put them together, which one's most important, next important, that kind of thing. I let it do the heavy work for me, right? Rather than trying to read 100 articles and take notes and everything, I let it do the heavy lifting for me, okay? But then I added my own background, my own information within it, set them up as pros and cons and so on. So humans add the insight that AI can't replicate, all right? Search engines favor this blend because it combines efficiency with credibility. And the pros are it speeds up content creation without compromising on quality. It helps smaller teams compete with larger publishers, and it ensures alignment with the EEAT and algorithm updates that are always happening. The cons, well, full reliance on AI can lead to thin or generic content, so don't be fully reliant on AI. AI only content lacks trust building human insight and nuance. And overinvestment in AI tools without strategy lead to disappointing performance. Okay. And that's something definitely really important. The best practices to rank higher with this hybrid content is to use AI for your structure, your topic research, your outlines, your FAQs, maybe expanding on ideas to get more information to kind of dig deeper down. And then assign human reviewers to ensure quality, accuracy, and that lived experience. Incorporate original frameworks, case studies, Q&A checklists before putting that or publishing that content.